All the papers or Samsung Prime Plus 2019. All you need to do, you have to double click the home button 3 times, but I already did, but I'm just gonna hold the volume up and volume down for you guys.
Talkback resume. Screen on. Welcome. Global Talk. Samsung
And
setup
this is what
wizard.
I did
Welcome.
again, hold the
Talkback
volume up and
settings.
volume down again.
Suspend talkback. Talkback suspended.
Then you click on the name, then you cancel the video, then you go to privacy,
Loading. Page loaded.
and then
Loading started.
you download these things. Sorry, these things, but
Page loaded.
they're on the link below in the description. Then you need to install the Google account managers and install it. And you open it, then you sign in with your email. And type in the password. When you're done, you press sign in with your own password. And you restart your phone. Wait for it to restart.
Talkback suspended.
Restart. And press next.
Back button. Double
You
tap to
cancel this
activate.
volume up and volume down at the same time you hold them.
Suspend talkback.
And you press OK.
Checking connection. Terms and conditions. More button. Suspend talk. OK. Talkback suspended.
Then you wait just for seconds, then you're done with it. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. I'm so sorry guys that is taking too long, but everything is done. Only to do sometimes the speed of the phone can process and take long. But trust me guys, from this point your phone is done. No need to worry, just like you're gonna show up things and you have to just click skip. Know what's happening with the phone now.